So we're here, Embedded World 2019. Hi. So who are you?
Hi everyone, this is Albert Xin, the president of Jorjin Technology.
So what does Jorjin do?
Jorjin is the company from Taiwan. It's a 21 years old company. We focusing on the industrial IoT solution and also the AR, MR smart glasses solution.
So right here you have a partnership. You're working with ST to do these kinds of products. What is this?
Okay, let me introduce more regarding the Sigfox microcontroller solution. Jorjin co-work with ST. Actually, this is a really powerful solution for the sensor node and the tracker product.
So sensor node, tracker product, and so what is this chip you have here? What do you do?
We use the ST Sigfox solution together with ST microcontroller solution so that we can come out the sensor and the tracker solution for our end customer very soon. It helps our customer to do the asset management to improve the efficiency and the total cost to ownership.
So there's a STM32 here and another one. What do you do to the connection here?
This is the chip with the Sigfox, the solution from ST, and also the ST microcontroller. With the chip, we also provide, with the module, we also provide the development key. So our customer can, based on the development key from ST, to develop their own the scenario application in a very short period.
So this is the development kit people can buy. Is this kit right here?
Yeah, from ST.
Dual radio, BLE, and sub 1 gigahertz.
Yes.
So you have both dual. You have both BLE and sub 1 gigahertz.
Yeah, you are totally right. You are totally right. We have BLE and the Sigfox, and we support the different region. We also have the solution to support the global region.
Why did it have different regions and for this kind of stuff?
For some customer, they need the Sigfox solution for one region. They can choose the specified module for that region. If they need to the module work globally, they can choose the module support all region.
So how is it to work in the partner program with ST?
Actually, with the ST support the latest technology in terms of the Sigfox and the microcontroller, so Jorjin can customize and make the product meet the customer's requirement very soon. So actually, Jorjin is the company we promise to provide the leading technology for our end customer. And with the support from ST, it really helps us to keep our promise to end customer.